Hello and welcome to Davey Motor Group. My name is Ben. Today we are having a look at this 1991 Honda Beat that has just arrived from Japan, now available in G'long, Victoria, Australia. This vehicle has arrived in excellent condition, considering it's over 30 years old, around 41,000 genuine kilometres as well. Just had this vehicle go through a full detail, and as you can see, it's come up very nice. This vehicle does have an aftermarket body kit on it. Some nice aftermarket wheels that suit the car quite nicely. And being a Honda Beat, a K car, no turbo at all. Start by taking a look in the boot for practicality, which isn't this vehicle's strong suit, but it's more about the driving experience with these. Not much boot space, taking up your battery. You do have the engine down there and also your oil cap ready. If you do take off the hard top, there is an engine access in this car as well. Just in the back there. And we'll pop the front bonnet. Does lift up front ways. Got your spare tyre in here, which is a space saver. And you've just got your usual servicing stuff, so your windshield washer fluid, coolant, and your brake fluid as well. Inside the vehicle now. It's got the awesome zebra seats. Interior is in very good condition as well, especially for its age. Got a tachometer that goes up to 10,000 RPM, speedo that goes up to 140. There's the genuine 41,302 kilometers. Do have one airbag in this vehicle. Climate control, a little bit of storage here, 5-speed manual, power windows. We do have a glove box, although it is quite small. And then just right here, got some more storage as well. That's perfect for your collection of CDs. This vehicle does come with 2 keys. Do have the genuine original Honda key as well. Starts up nicely, runs very nicely as well. And it drives very smoothly as well. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please do leave them in the comments down below. This vehicle is available in G'long, Victoria, Australia. It comes with compliance, registration for 3 months, Victoria, roadworthy, and we can also ship it anywhere in Australia. Finance available, trade-ins available. And we do have warranties for these vehicles as well, for any vehicle that we do have. If you want to see what else we have, do visit our website at daveymotorgroup.com, and I'm sure that we'll have a vehicle that will suit your needs perfectly. very much.